हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
ऋषेर्भागवतमुख्यस्य सत्यं कर्तुं वचो हरिः जगाम शनकैस्तत्र यत्रास्तायमलार्जुनो देवर्षिर्मे प्रियतमो यदि मो धनतात्मजो तत्तथा साधयिष्यामि यद्गीतं तन्महात्मना इत्यन्तरेणार्जुनयोः कृष्णस्तु यमयोर्ययौ आत्मनिर्वेशमात्रेण तिर्यग्गतमूलुखम् बालेन निष्क्रियतान्वगुलूखलं तद दामोदरेणं तरसोत्कलिताङ्घ्रिबन्धौ निष्पेततुः परमविक्रमितातिवेपस्कन्द प्रवालविटपो कृतचण्डशब्दौ ततश्रिया परमया कुकुभस्फुरन्तो छिद्धा उपेत्य कुजयोरिव जातवेदाः कृष्णं प्रणम्य शिरसाखिललोकनाथं बद्धाञ्जलि विरजसा विदमुचतु स्म कृष्णं कृष्णं महायोगिं त्वमाद्यं पुरुषं परः व्यक्ताव्यक्तम् इदं विश्वं रूपं ते ब्राह्मणा विदुः त्वमेकं सर्वभूतानां देहास्त्वाम् इन्द्रियेश्वरः त्वमेव कालो भगवान् विष्णुः अव्यय ईश्वरः त्वं महान् प्रकृति सूक्ष्मा रजसत्त्वतमोमयि त्वमेवं पुरुषोऽध्यक्षः सर्वक्षेत्रविकारवितः गृह्यमाणेस्त्वं गृह्यमाणेस्त्वम गृह्यमाणेस्त्वमग्राह्यो विकारे प्राकृते गुणैः कोन्विहार्हति विज्ञातुं प्राकसिद्धं गुणसंवृतः तस्मै तुभ्यं भगवते वासुदेवाय वेदसे गुणेश्मन्नं महिम्ने ब्रह्मणे नमः यस्यावतारा ज्ञायन्ते शरीरेष्वशरीरिणः तेस्तैरतुल्यातिशयैर्देहि स्वसङ्गते स भवान् सर्वलोकस्य भवायं विभवाय च अवतीर्णो अशभागेन साम्प्रतं पतिराशिषां नमः नमः परमकल्याण नमः परममङ्गल वासुदेवाय शान्ताय यदुनां पतये नमः अनुजानीहि नौ भूमं तवानुचर किङ्करो दर्शनं नो भगवत ऋषेराशिद अनुग्रहात् वाणीं गुणानुकथने श्रवणो कथायां हस्तौ च कर्मसु मनस्तव वाणीं गुणानुकथने श्रवणो कथया हस्तौ च कर्मसु मनस्तव पादयोर्णः स्मृत्या शिरस्तव निवास प्रणामे दृष्टिः सतां दर्शनेस्तु भवत्तनूनाम् श्रीशुक उवाच इत्थं स कीर्तिस्तताभ्यां भगवान् गोकुलेश्वरः दाम्ना चोलुखले बद्धः प्रहसन्नाः गुह्यको श्रीभगवानुवाच ज्ञातं मम पुरैर्वैतदृषिणा ज्ञातं मम पुरवैतदृषिणा करुणात्मना यदृच्छिमदान्धयोर्वाग्भिर्विभ्रंशोऽनुग्रहः कृतः साधूनां समचित्तानां सूतरां मत्कृतात्मनां दर्शनान्नो भवेद्बन्धः पुंसो अक्ष्णौ सवितुर्यथा तद्गच्छतं मत्परमौ नलकूबर तद्गच्छतं मत्परमौ नलकूबरसादनं संजातो मयि भावो वामिः अप्सितः परमो भवः। श्रीशुक उवाच इत्युक्तो युक्तुक्तौ तौ परिक्रम्य प्रणम्यं चं पुनः पुनः बद्धोलूखलं बद्धोलूखलमामन्त्र्य जग्मुतु जग्मतुः दिशमुत्तराम्। इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यासहिताया दशमस्कन्धे पूर्वार्धे नारदशापो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः। श्रीहरये नमः। श्रीहरये नमः। श्रीहरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। हरे
Shukabrahma Maharshi, he ends this chapter saying, Bhagavan Gokuleshwara Ittam Sankirtitastabhyam Bhagavan Gokuleshwara Damna cha Ulukale Baddha Prahasan Ahagukyakau. Because with this chapter, Gokula Leela is finishing. So he is reminding us Gokuleshwara, because from next chapter onwards, he is going to move to Vrindavanam. Vrindavana Leela is going to start. So Bhagavan Gokuleshwara ka. Krishna knows all this has happened. He knows that the true trees in the backyard are actually Nalakuvara and Manigriva. So he is thinking, whatever Devarshi me Priyatama hai. This Devarshi is a big devotee of mine. So whatever he has said, I will make that come true. So he has pulled this mortar, this small child, Balena Nishkarshayantan Ulukalam Tate Anvag Ulukalam. He pulled it behind him and he went between those two trees. He could pass, but the stone mortar could not pass. It got stuck. And because he pulled these huge Arjuna trees, those two huge trees crashed with a loud noise, Krita Chanda Shabdhav, and they fell to the ground. And from those two trees, two divine beings came out. Shriya Paramaya Kakubaspurantav Siddhav Baddhanjali. Because they were blessed by Narada, that even when you are trees, you will remember everything. You will be able to see everything, hear everything. So they remembered their previous association with Narada. And even though they had actually not done any worship, apachar kiya tha, fir bhi unhone anugrah kar diya. That they keep remembering. Satsangam is like that. The person has gone to Satsangam with a thinking that they are going to insult the people in the satsanga, but somehow that turns to be a blessing for them. What an amazing thing. Shana Sangena Sadhush. One small instance, without even knowing, their lives have been transformed. They are getting this beautiful darshanam every day, and today Krishna has touched them and therefore freed them from being trees and restored their divine forms. Krishna Krishna Mahayogin. They know that this looks like a child, but he is Mahayogin. So they are saying Mahayogin. Vyakta Vyaktam Idam Vishwam. You are this whole universe. One small fraction of you. Pado Asya Vishwa Bhutani. Tripadasya Amritam Devi. You are fully in Amrita. One small portion of you we are seeing as this universe. In that we have been blessed. Most people will not be able to make out. Who can find out who you are? Kon viha arhati vijnatum praksiddham. Nobody can. But we were blessed. We were blessed. Tasmai tubhyam bhagavate vasudevaya vedase. Your mahima is always hidden. Channa mahimne brahmane namaha. But because through the Shapa, we got an anugraha from Narada, and then we have been seeing you, so we now understand what we are looking at. We know that that Parabrahma Swarupa has come in this blue form and doing all these leelas just for blessing us. Yasya avatara nyayante. This kind of avatara leela, only blessed people will be able to see, hear, and enjoy. Because your avatara leelas are beautiful. They are highly auspicious. They provide big blessings to everybody who reads, who hears, who speaks, who sings. Nama Parama Kalyana, Nama Parama Mangala, Vasudevaya Shantaya, Yadunam Pataye Namaha. Anujanihi. Please give us permission. What a beautiful thing. Please give us permission. You have given us such beautiful darshana. We got your darshana only because Narada said Shapam, but we don't believe it. We think it is Anugraham. Rishe Rasit Anugrahat. We were drinking some Varuni and we had some people with whom we were enjoying. They came. We didn't even bother to do a namaskara. We didn't even bother to get up. We didn't even bother to get dressed. But he gave anugraha to be trees in your backyard. Please give us this blessing. Vani gunanukatane Shravanau katayam hastau cha karmasu manah tava padayornah smrityam shirastava nivasa jagat praname drishtisatam darshanestu bhavattanunam. Vani, may our mouth always be talking, singing only about your stories, your gunas, your leelas. That is it. Vani gunanukatane. Our ears, may they always be blessed to hear Krishna leelai. Shravanau katayam. If our hands have to do something, may it be kainkaryam. Hastaucha karmasu. If our mind has to think about something, let it keep thinking only about your feet. Tava padayornah smrityam. If our head has to do anything, let it only do namaskara. Whether it is to the temples, whether it is the people who have you in their heart. Tava nivasa. Where is God? God is everywhere. But Sanidhyam is with Mahans. Sanidhyam is in your puja room. Sanidhyam is in your Archavatara. Sanidhyam is in the temple. So they are telling Tava Nivasa, let us do Namaskaram to wherever your abode is. Drishtis Satam. If our eyes have to see something, the surprising request here, they are not saying, let us keep seeing you, let us keep seeing more of your Leela. They are not saying that. They are saying, let us always see Mahans like Narada. Drishtis Satam Darshanestu Bhavattanunam. Bhagavan Gokuleshwara hai, he is laughing. Prahasanna. Normally, all the jivas are considered bandha. They are tied in Prakriti, in Maya. And he is the one who is free. So the bandha jivas, they offer worship, prayer to this Mukta Paramatma. But here, these two, Nalagobra Manigriva, are free. They are Mukta and they are offering worship to this Paramatma who is Baddolu Kalam. So he is laughing. He's like, "Arey, ye role reversal ho gaya abhi." Baddolu Kalamaman. So Bhagavan is saying, I know your history. Nyatam. I know it for a long time. That's why I came. I wanted to make sure that your mada, your arrogance, your pride on your money is all gone. It looks like it's all gone. Anugraha kritaha sadhunam samachittanam sutaram matkritatmanam. Sadhus, people who are always in satsanga, their darshana, if you even see them, that has the power to release your samsara bandha. Darshana no bhaved bandha Pumsokshno savituryatha. Just like darkness cannot stand when the sun rises, similarly all samsara bandhas are gone the moment you reach that kind of satsanga. What satsanga? Samachittanam sutaram matkritatmanam. Therefore, please go, Nalakubra, Manikgriva. You are blessed. What are you blessed with? Ipsitaha. Ipsitaha means what you desire. The name also is Ipsitaha. Ipsitaha means you should have the best possible desire. What is the best possible desire? Best possible desire is Krishna Bhakti. And Narada has blessed them with that. Therefore, they have been every day enjoying all the Bala Leelas. And he is saying, I have given you that desire. Paramo Bhavaka. Parikramya. They kept doing Pradakshana. Pranamya punah punah. They kept doing Namaskara repeatedly. Vaddolu kalama mantre jagmatuhu disham uttaram. Going north has many meanings. One is spiritual ascension. They are spiritually ascended, so they are going north. Also, they are Kuvera's children. Kuvera rules the northern direction, so they are going north. We will end today with a Govinda Shatakam song, which is the darshanam of Yashoda mother in Govinda Shatakam series. That song marks the transition from Gokula Leela to Vrindavana Leela. Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami.
Bhagavati Tvam Trijaganmata Bhagavan Pravadati Tvam iti Mata Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami Yatpada Padmarajo Munivaryaihi Janmabhirapi Bahubhishcha labhyam Tam kila tava charanam puja yugme Patitam shleshyasi Bhagavantam Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami Yatkara Kamalam Bhavapatitanam Avalambanam Iti Shruti Gaditam Tam Nija Balakam Upalabhya Tvam Dadhinavanitam Pradadasi Kare Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami Yanmukha Kamalam Sindhu Sutaya Prema Sukha Prada Chumbana Rasitam Tam Harimenam Vatsalyena Chumbasi Gadam Parirabhya Amba Yashode Tvam Pranama Chumbasi Gadam Parirabhya Amba Yashode Tvam Pranamami.
Super. Very nice. Radhe Krishna. Radhe
Radhe
Krishna.
Krishna. Radhe Krishna.
Radhe Krishna. Radhe Krishna. Thank you.